Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a vapor shell 3D pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So here NumPy is used for numerical calculations, creating arrays, trigonometric functions, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting the 3D graph. Here access3d is used to create 3D plots using matplotlib. And now we'll create a 3D figure space for creating a vapor shell 3D pattern. So here figure is equals to plt.figure creates a blank figure for size 6 into 7 inches, and ax.figure this adds a 3D subplot where the pattern will be drawn. And now we'll generate multiple shell layers, which means the outer vapor effect. So this loop creates 10 different expanding shell layers. And now we'll create layers which go from radius 0.5 to 2.5. So now we'll generate angles for spherical coordinates. So this creates a longitudinal angle and this is the longitudinal angle from top to bottom. And this create a grid of angles. So these angles defines the 3D spherical shape. So with the help of these angles we'll create the 3D spherical shape for the vapor shell 3D pattern. And now we'll create ripple effect on each shell layer. So this layer is base radius of the shell, where 0.1 into sine adds small ripples, wavy vapor effect, and 5 into theta controls the frequency of the ripple, and layer into 3 makes each outer layer have slightly different ripple phase. So now we'll convert spherical to Cartesian coordinates. these formulas convert spherical points r, theta and phi to x, y and z in 3D space. And now we'll plot the vapor shell surface. So here plot surface draws a 3D shell layer where alpha is equals to 0.5, which means low opacity transparent vapor effect, and color, which gives a cool futuristic color, and edge color is none, which gives no grid lines on the surface. And now we'll set the title to the plot. So this sets a suitable title to the plot with font size 18 and color white. So here black background for dark theme, which will give a cyber look, and this will remove ax.grid. This will remove no grid lines for clean look, so all the grid lines will be removed. And now we'll remove axis and ticks. So this will remove all the axes and tick marks and focus on the program. And at last we will display the plot with plt.show. So this displays the vapor 3D shell pattern. So here we can see a beautiful vapor shell 3D pattern. So thanks for watching this video.